Hello, peeps, and welcome to another Power Packed Phillips podcast. Yeah, buddy. Please make a note your homework for tonight is workbook page 23, problems 9, 10, and 11. Again, your homework tonight is workbook page 23, problems 9, 10, and 11. Just a friendly reminder, please do your homework in your notes/homework spiral. Do not do your homework in your algebra workbook. Alrighty, here we go. Today's notes is going to be on lesson 3.4. Solve equations with variables on both sides. So please write in your notes/homework spiral, lesson 3.4, solve equations with variables on both sides. When you have a problem that has hearts and stars on both sides, your goal is to get all of the hearts on the left side, and your goal is to get all the stars on the right side. So we're going to try to get all the hearts on the left, the stars on the right. Or your goal is to get all of the hearts on the right side and all of the stars on the left side. Either one will work. If you would, please take a moment to write down the equation 7 minus 8x equals 4x minus 17. Please write that equation in your spiral. Remember, your choice. You can put the hearts together first, or you can put the stars together first. It doesn't matter. Alrighty, so here's our equation. Remember, your goal is to get all of the hearts on the left and all of the stars on the right. Or you can say you want to get all the hearts on the right side and the stars on the left side. Your choice. Okay, so I am going to get my hearts together first. And I could bring the negative 8x to the right side. Or I could say I'm going to bring the 4x to the left side. It doesn't matter. So I am going to take the 4x and move it to the left side. That's just what I've chosen to do. Remember that when you go across the fence, you are going to do the opposite. You are going to do the opposite. So the opposite of 4x, remember that's a positive 4x, is to subtract 4x. So whatever I do to one side, I'm going to do to the other. So I'm going to write a minus 4x over here. I'm going across the line, so I do the opposite. Now, these are going to cancel each other out. So I have negative 8x minus 4x. Here you go, visual people. Jay Cutler and the Bears, don't be a hater. They won yesterday. Get big. 2-1, baby. Mr. Phillips is happy. Jay Cutler gets sacked for 8-yard loss. Then we have a minus 4. On the next play, he gets sacked for a 4-yard loss. What I'm really doing is adding those together. 8 and 4 gives me 12. And since it's a loss, it's a negative 12. So negative 8 and negative 4 give me negative 12. And my dog, ruff, ruff, follows me everywhere I go. Alrighty guys, I rewrote the rest of my equation. So I brought down the 7, I brought down the negative, and I brought down the 17. Now I'm going to get my stars together. Remember, I want my hearts on one side and I want my stars on the other. So if you were thinking, well, I'm just going to bring the negative 17 over here, then we're going to have a problem, because this is a problem that we're going to have. If you bring the negative 17 over this side, now I have my hearts and stars on the same side, and you do not want that. So instead, let us bring the 7 over to the other side, because when we do that, we'll have a heart on one side and we'll have a star on the other. We want them on opposite sides. So let's bring over the 7. Remember, I'm going across the fence, so I'm going to do the opposite. This is a positive 7. When I go across the fence, I do the opposite of what the district tells me to do, so I'm going to subtract 7 on both sides. These will cancel, bada bing, bada boom. I am left with negative 12x. My dog follows me everywhere I go. Ruff, ruff. And you can think of the last example. Right here, we have a negative 17 minus 7. So Jay Cutler gets sacked for a 17-yard loss. Don't be a hater. We won yesterday. And on the next play, he gets sacked for a 7-yard loss. I'm just going to take 17 and add it to 7. 17 and 7 is 24. Since it was a loss, that's going to be a negative 24. So right here, a negative 17 and a negative 7 is going to give me negative 24. I have a coefficient, nice vocabulary word, da bears, touching a letter. When they're touching each other, that means multiplication. The inverse or opposite of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide, and I will show division with a fraction bar. Now remember, this is a negative 12. So when I divide, I'm going to divide by a negative 12. Remember, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Negative 12 happened in Vegas. It has to stay in Vegas. Whatever I do to one side, I'm going to do to the other. I'm going to divide this side by a negative 12. Why? What happened in Vegas? A negative 12 happened in Vegas. So what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. These will cancel each other. I'm left with the variable x. This means negative 24 divided by a negative 12. 24 divided by 12 is 2. And remember that when the bad guy is leaving town, everybody is happy. So you can say that x equals positive 2 or x equals 2. It means the same thing. These problems shouldn't be that hard for you guys. You are very good at solving equations. You just need to remember to get all of your hearts on one side and get your stars on the other. See ya. Wouldn't wanna be ya.